In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Cloudflare DNS. Whether you're optimizing your website's speed, improving security, or setting up custom configurations, understanding how to configure your DNS records in Cloudflare is an essential skill. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional DNS setup that's ready to go. Don't worry if you're new to this. I'll walk you through each step clearly and thoroughly so you can follow along with confidence. The first thing you'll need to do is log into the account where you purchased your domain. This is typically your domain registrar, which is the service you use to buy your domain name. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Every registrar's interface is a little different, but you're looking for the settings related to name servers. These will usually be located in the domain management section or something similar. Once you've found the settings for name servers, you're ready to move on. Now, here's the critical part. Replace your current name servers with the two name servers provided by Cloudflare. When you signed up for Cloudflare and added your domain, they gave you two specific name servers. Simply copy those from your Cloudflare account and paste them into the name server fields in your domain registrar settings. This step is what directs traffic through Cloudflare, so it's important to do this correctly. After you've entered the new name servers, be sure to save the changes. At this point, it's also a good idea to disable DNSSEC or Domain Name System Security extensions in your registrar settings. While DNSSEC can help secure your domain in certain scenarios, it can sometimes cause conflicts with Cloudflare's setup, leading to potential DNS failures. Disabling it now will help prevent those issues, and you can always revisit it later if needed. Next, log into your Cloudflare account and head over to the dashboard. Once you're in, look for the section labeled DNS, which is where we'll be spending most of our time. Click on the DNS section and you'll see a list of any existing DNS records associated with your domain. To add a new record, click on the Add Record button. This is where you'll start configuring your DNS records. The first thing you'll need to do when adding a record is select the type of DNS record you need. Common types include A records, MX records, TXT records, and CNAME records. For example, an A record is used to point your domain to an IP address, while an MX record is used for email routing. Choose the type that fits the specific function you're setting up. Next, fill in the name field. This defines which part of your domain the record applies to. For instance, if this record applies to your root domain, you'll use the @ symbol. If it's for a subdomain like www, simply enter www in this field. After that, input the destination or target in the content field. This is where you'll specify the IP address, domain name, or other required information for the record. Double-check this information to make sure it's accurate. Now, set the TTL, or time to live. This determines how long DNS information is cached before it's refreshed. You can leave this set to auto for most cases, or specify a custom value if you have a specific need. Finally, choose the proxy status. If you want Cloudflare's performance and security features to apply to this record, select the orange cloud icon to enable proxying. If you want the record to function as DNS only, select the gray cloud icon. Once everything is set, save the DNS record. If you have additional records to configure, simply repeat the process. Click Add Record, fill in the fields, and save. Take your time to ensure each record is entered correctly. After you've added all the necessary records, you'll need to wait for the changes to propagate. This process can take up to 48 hours as DNS changes update worldwide. And that's it. You've successfully set up your Cloudflare DNS. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.